Another way to use the import statement is to alias names when importing with as. This is kind of interesting, but it's just a way of renaming a module or renaming a single name in that module. Okay, that's all the word alias means, is a different variable name. All right, so there's a couple ways to do this. You can rename an entire module. So you just say import module, like we did before, as, and then whatever the new name you want it to be. So it will be referenced as this new name, not as this whatever the module name is to begin with. You can also alias a single name. So from module import whatever the original name is as new name. So you'll reference this original name as just new name. So let's go ahead and see how this works. I'm going to import the statistics module. This is one that we have not used before, but import statistics as st. Okay, so now I'll be able to reference statistics as st. I'm going to use this list in just a second. So if you can see here, st is the module statistics. And if I do st dot and tab, these are all the functionality available in the statistics module. There is no statistics variable name. This does not exist in my namespace. I did not import this name. I imported this module and aliased it as st. So it's just a renaming, a way to rename something that you're importing. So I have to use st over here. And I'm going to use the mean function. So this calculates the mean. We wrote this mean function before, but now we don't have to. It's actually available in the standard library in the statistics module. So I'll just pass it in this list, and that is the mean of this of these values. All right, you can also alias a single name. So I'm going to use this pattern over here. So from the statistics module, I'm going to alias one of the names in here. From statistics, import, and by the way, you can if you press tab over here, it'll list out all the things that you can import from the statistics module. So you don't have to remember what you need to import. I'm just going to import this one, harmonic mean, as HM. So I'm going to shorten it up just to show you that you can do this. This is not necessarily a best practice. I just wanted to show you an example. So I've reached into the statistics module. I've taken the harmonic mean and I've aliased it as HM. So HM is now what I use to call this function, harmonic mean. And I'm going to pass it in, again, this a list, which computes the harmonic mean. It's just a different calculation of computing the mean, that it's not your normal just sum of the values divided by the length. All right, so we're not doing a whole lot of aliasing single names, but aliasing modules is actually quite popular, as you'll see. A lot of popular libraries get aliased. And so you'll see that by convention, usually in their documentation for the module, how it's usually imported in and aliased. But just another little tidbit to know, you can use this as in order to alias both a module and a single name.